Let me in. He's not in. I will get in. Mary came in. Keep in touch. May I come in? I am in London. Please come in. I believe in him. I believe in you. Rome is in Italy. We are in a hurry. Are you in a hurry? Believe in yourself. What is in the desk? Look at me. I was at home. She is at home. I get up at 7. He is at his desk. I am bad at sports. She smiled at him. He works at a bank. I am good at tennis. He will return at 6. Did you speak at all? You must go at once. Look at that picture. I go to bed at 11. Will you stay at home? He didn't study at all. Is your mother at home? It's on me. I am on a diet. Put your hat on. The light is on. We depend on you. What is going on? Turn on the radio. We play on Sunday. I am free on Sunday. Don't climb on this. He sat on the bench. We lay on the grass. What is on the desk? Can I turn on the TV? You can rely on him. Tom is never on time. What's going on there? Are you free on Tuesday? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.